Hi there, today we are flying a surprise flyby mission. The purpose of this drone flight is to do roof renovation supervision. Many companies hire us to do random drone flybys over their construction sites. These surprise flybys keep workers always alert and aware that at any time a drone will be checking if they are present, actually working, and if the work is progressing as expected. Nowadays, companies use eyes in the sky to check their job sites. Drones provide an inexpensive and yet effective way to do it. If your company wants to benefit from our surprise flyby program, call us at 954-445-4357 or visit our website at hiredroneservices.com. If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. God bless America.